Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing this Kaiweets electric screwdriver model ES21. They reached out to me and asked me if I'd be willing to review this screwdriver on my channel. After considerable thought, I decided, yeah, I'll go ahead and do this because I actually have been looking for an electronic screwdriver for myself. And they gave me this tool for free in exchange of making this video. And I thought, well, since some of you are microscrappers, that you too might be interested in this. I am not getting paid to make this video, and I am not getting paid if any of you end up buying this tool. They did offer me an affiliate membership, but I declined that. I'm not interested in making money off of this. I just wanted to see if this is good for microscrapping. So there is a package that it came in, and it comes with a magnetic pad, and then you've got a magnetizer and demagnetizer for the bits, and then here is the case. Just push there, it opens up, again push and it closes it and locks it, and there it is. And on the other side are more bits. There are 64 bits in total, including everything you need: Phillips, Torx, straight slot, security bits. It's all there. One neat little feature about this is you can charge it while it's still inside the case. And there is the screwdriver. It does come with a pair of metal tweezers, and then it comes with a metal spudger. The bits are held in with a magnet, so that's really nice. So they're really secure. So let's quickly go over the screwdriver. You've got your forwards and your reverse, and you see those lights lighting up. This screwdriver has 5 torque settings, and this third button is a multi-purpose button. One click turns the light on, turns the light off. The light will turn itself off after about 5 minutes of the tool not being in use. But if you press and hold, now you can cycle through the different torque settings. We'll leave it on number 5. And then if you double tap, that'll show you your battery life. They say that this tool will unscrew 1,000 screws on a single charge, and it takes about an hour to 2 hours to fully charge. This entire tool only weighs 2.1 ounces. And with the biggest bit in it, it only weighs 2.2 ounces. It's incredibly light. This is made out of aluminum. It's really well built. I'm actually really impressed with it. Bits just slide in, and they just hold in with a magnet, and they don't come out. They hold really well. The company has a 30-day no-hassle money-back guarantee, and then the tool has a 3-year warranty on it. So we've got this CD player, and I've already removed the screws because they were too deep for the tool. All right, well, let's just start getting some screws removed and see how it works. There's not enough torque to overcome that screw, but I did ask the company if you can use the screwdriver as a manual screwdriver without wrecking anything internally, and they said yes, you can. So you just break it free. That's a pretty long screw. Let's put that screw back in and see how that does. Pretty good. It's not the fastest tool, but again, for its size, really, it's going to have its limitation just because of its fact that it only weighs 2.1 ounces. And the more and more I've used this, the more and more I've fallen in love with this. I do wish it had a little bit more torque. That one needs a little assistance. Same with that one. Okay, let's see if we can get this board out of here now. Missed a screw. Always missing a screw. Need to change the bit. Let's go with the smallest. It can be a little difficult to get the bits because they're so tightly packed in there. But since they're all held in with magnets, they all kind of just jump back into place. We got some bigger ones right here. Let's go after those bigger ones again. I really like it. I think it's actually really well built. The bits are really nice. Needs a little bit of help. I do wish that the bits would stay magnetized a little bit longer. I don't know why. Maybe it's operator error in doing this. And we got two more little screws right there. Let's go ahead and remove those. We'll try a shorter bit here. No problem at all. Well, that one needs a little bit of help. Get that piece off and remove that second motor there. Needs a little help. And there's our motors. So there it is. I think you got a pretty good idea of what to expect from it. Yeah, I do wish it had a little bit more torque, but again, you know, for its size and its weight, it's going to have its limitations. You know, it's just not like a big DeWalt impact driver. The light is mediocre at best, but it's better than nothing. I do kind of wish this button was up here rather than next to here, because a lot of times when you're going back and forth, you accidentally bump it. But like I said, the light will turn itself off after 5 minutes. I think if you are scrapping cell phones and tablets and laptops, this is going to be perfect for you, especially if you are repairing those and you're inserting screws back with the 5 different torque settings. You're going to really love that, because obviously you don't want to over torque any of the screws when you're reassembling something. I think it's fantastic. And like I said, I'm not getting paid to make this video, and I'm not getting paid if any of you buy this. But this is my honest opinion. I'm going to keep using this tool, and I'm very thankful to Kaiweets sending me this tool for free. I really, really like it. And I think some of you would like it as well. If you would like to purchase this, in the description there's going to be 2 links. One to Amazon and then one to Kaiweets.com. They both are going to have discount codes. If you go to Amazon through that link, the discount code is good through July 15th, 2024. If you go to Kaiweets.com and use the discount code SCRAPITALL15, and that will also be linked in the description, that discount code lasts for a lifetime. So if this is a year later that you're watching this, that discount code through Kaiweets.com is still good. You can get 15% off your purchase. Well, I just want to say thank you to Kaiweets for providing me this opportunity and for this tool. I give it an A. I honestly do. I think it's a fantastic tool. The battery does last a long time. It's super easy to use. It's super light. Your hands are not going to get fatigued holding this and using this. So there you have it. There is my review of the Kaiweets ES21 electric screwdriver. I thank you all so much for tuning in and watching this video. I know it's a little bit different than I normally do, so I just thank you all so very much. And I just pray that God will bless every single one of you. I thank every single one of you for being here and for watching this video. And on Saturday, we'll be back to my regular scheduled programming of scrapping it all. Anyways, thanks again, guys and gals. I really appreciate y'all being here. Go check out their website. They've got a lot of other cool stuff. All right. God bless y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.